Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off in Florence. Another random day in Florence. What am I gonna do in Florence today? One thing I must say about Florence, Florence is beautiful. This is by far my favorite Italian city. I just like the whole layout. I like the design. I like the style. I love Florence. What an amazing city. Now, yesterday when I was picking if I should go to Florence or Milan, I thought, well, I could go to Milan or I could go to Florence. Gucci is from Florence, so I thought, let's stop in Florence for a couple days and then head over to Milan. So that's pretty much the game plan now. One thing I must point out about today, it is pretty dang warm. Now, it's not exactly warm where I'm standing right now because I'm standing underneath all of these trees here, so I can definitely feel a breeze. Now, today is going to be a warm day in Florence, so I'm going to sort of take it easy. I'm going to look for a restaurant around and then look for an ice cream shop, and then, I'm just going to take it easy, probably head back to the hostel because there's this really cool pool there. Dude, this hostel deserves a thumbs up. Definitely a thumbs up. Really cool place. I'll show you guys that a little bit later. But for now, yo, let's get this video started. Wow, 34 degrees right now. It's pretty warm out here. Believe it or not, it really doesn't feel that warm out here, but I guess in the sun, it's much warmer. It kind of reminds me of weather in California. If you are in the shade, it's a lot cooler because there's no humidity, but when you're in the sun, when you're in direct sunlight, oh man, you can burn up, you can start cooking, you can start smoking. It's kind of like that. Florence definitely got these churches, man. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, wow, on this strip right here, I've just walked by like 5 stores that look just like that. And I'm trying to figure out, like, how do they all stay in business? Are that many people buying leather bags? Let's chit chat really fast about Florence. Now, Florence is super touristy, but it's not touristy like Roma. Like, I feel Roma was more like a tourist trap, and Florence just seems to be more like a place where a lot of tourists go. Yeah, I don't know if this makes any sense, but yeah, that's my 2 cents on it right now. That's my 2 cents, my less than 12 hours here. That's what I got to say. Yeah. You need a bag? You need a bag? What about here? You need a bag? They must get all this stuff for free or something, I must imagine. Okay, same exact thing one more time. Here we go. I just don't get it. Like, I don't make this stuff up, guys. You see it right here for yourself. Wow, this area is getting super touristy. Oh, yeah. So I'm looking for like the city center area. It's a little bit farther down. It should be like a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, a lot of stuff like that. Let's go see. Holy cow, look at this building, man. How big that arch thing, that doorway, like, I don't even know what that is. Like, look at what a cool looking building. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Dang. It lets the cop car through and then it just rises up above. That's pretty cool. What is this area? Looks like we're getting closer to the city center because this area is all blocked off. Cars can't access this area, I guess, excluding cop cars. Every day is an adventure. What we got here? Wow, I don't know what it is, but it looks beautiful. It looks like another church. Wow, look at that building behind it. This is epic. Look at this one. Wow, there's lots of people here. Tons of people here. Wow, let's go explore this area, yo. Wow, look at this angle. Oh, all the things you stumble upon when you don't bring a map. You just go out and explore. I am so looking for shade right now. Found shade here. And once again, lots of handbags. I don't get it. Like, literally everybody sells the same exact ones. Like, the same exact ones. I don't get it. There's more. And of course, I'm sure when I turn this corner, there's gonna be more. So obviously, I'm missing something with these leather bags because I keep seeing them everywhere. So it must be something special. It must mean something because, once again, here goes some more. And right over in this area are like many more too. I'm just gonna keep walking this way because I just left like this Irish pub. This is super random, but I kind of didn't want to vlog about this. So I found an Apple store and I got this new cable, which I'm gonna make a YouTube video talking about later. But I'm able to charge my iPad like much faster with this. So I was walking around, and right after I left the Apple store, I was walking around, and there was this Irish pub like right across the street, and right outside it said like food specials for the day, and it showed like a pizza, and then it showed a drink next to the pizza, like a beer or a Coke or a bottle of water or something like that. So I was thinking €9. That's not bad, okay. And I'm thinking it's gonna be like a normal sized pizza. I'm thinking this is gonna be an Italian pizza because, like, literally all the pizzas I've had have been like literally a huge freaking pizza. I have to stuff myself to like eat the pizza, right? So I'm thinking this place is gonna be the same way because like most places around here have been that way, right? There's a few people sitting outside and there's air conditioning on the inside. So I walk inside because I was really looking for an electrical plug so I can test out this new charger to see if it's really fast. So I'm sitting down for like maybe 15 or 20 minutes. No one says anything to me. No one notices me, but there's also no one inside. There's not even anyone at the bar. So I kind of just like walked in and I was just sitting there like, editing, charging, that sort of thing. Then I saw this guy walk in, but he really didn't see me because I was sitting off to this side. And I said, hey, I want to get the food special. And he's like, okay. And I told him the pizza. I was like, yo, I want, just the pizza, no cheese, just tomato sauce and vegetables, but no cheese. He's like, yeah, okay, yeah. And he was just like, yeah. Like, he totally understood me. And then for the drink, I was like, yeah, I'll just do the beer. And he's like, oh, you can only do, like, this one beer. And I was like, okay, I'll just grab a bottle of water instead. So I got the bottle of water, drank the bottle of water, right? After I got done, like, halfway done with the water, he brings out the pizza. The pizza is, like, this little, like, frozen thing that you like buy in the US, like, those frozen pizzas that are like super gross. So he brings me this frozen pizza that's like super gross, and I'm just standing there scratching my head like, okay, this definitely has cheese on it. So he like vanishes before I notice that it has cheese on it. So I sit there and finish drinking the water and finish editing the video and finish setting the iPad charge, and then I told him, look, dude, this here has cheese on it. And he says, oh, this is an Irish pub. We're not an Italian place, and we have frozen pizzas here. And I told him, I said, look, dude, I told you that I didn't want cheese. You should have told me that all your freaking pizzas are frozen. Like, I don't want cheese. So he ended up just charging me for the water and not the pizza. So he ended up charging me like, €2 for the water and not the pizza. So now I'm gonna go look for another pizza spot because that place it wasn't a pizza spot. It was an Irish pub, man. It was an Irish pub. So let's keep walking, yo. Man, Roma and Naples look nothing like this. Like nothing like this. If you come to Italy, come to Florence, yo. Wow, where are these people coming from? Let's go this way. What is this big thing? Adventure time. Dun 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 dun. I guess this is like the middle of the town. Like, this is like the town square. This is one thing I don't notice in the US. We don't really have areas that are like this, like these large open areas. It's just not like that here. Wow, look at all these really cool places around. This is another day, another adventure, super random. Let's keep doing it. Oh, they're feeding the horse. I just take his head and just stick it in the bag, huh? Poor guy. Wow, look over here. We got the Gucci Garden. Huh, I bet that's expensive. Now I'm trying to figure out, is this some sort of river or something? I believe so. Let's look and see. Yep, I was correct. Okay, so this time I found this Italian pizzeria. This one's all legit. This is a glimpse of the menu, and I can't wait for the pizza to appear. Ooh, trying to make this disappear. Just left that Italian restaurant, man. That food was so good. I didn't get the name of the restaurant, but I think I'm just gonna go back there tomorrow. Wow, is this Pumpkin Pinocchio? You can tell that guy has told a lot of lies in his day. Let's keep cruising. There's something to point out here. It's about 91 degrees, and that's in Fahrenheit. Celsius, I'll put it down below. But one thing I must point out, you see how they built the buildings? These buildings are so close that it just creates shade in this area all the time, and that's super smart. That's the way to build. Cool, I'm back at the hostel. Let's go check this pool situation out. I hear a waterfall for sure. Oh yeah, there's some pool action. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, I gotta go down there now.